This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Word Mobile and going straight to the text you want to change. Do not waste time on menus you won't use. Tap and hold a word, then drag the blue handles to expand the selection to a sentence or paragraph. Once the exact text is highlighted, you're ready to change the font size. Make sure only the intended text is selected so global formatting won't be altered. This direct selection step is crucial because the font control works only on selected content. Once the text is selected, tap the Home ribbon, usually a pencil or an icon, to expose the font group. You'll see a font size field and small increase/decrease icons. Press the up arrow for larger sizes or the down arrow to shrink. If you need an exact size, tap the font size number, type a new value, and confirm. This lets you control precision. Using the drop-down gives quick common sizes, while typing gives exact control for consistent formatting. After choosing a font size, tap outside the selection so Word Mobile applies the change and you can visually confirm it. If the size looks wrong, make sure you weren't in read mode or that some other style override isn't applied. Then reselect the text and try again. If the control appears disabled, close and reopen the document or restart the app. Also check for app updates. These simple fixes handle most issues quickly, so you can finish formatting without desktop access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.